Welcome to the Bahamas. There's a lot of people walking back. We are right beside the Norwegian Joy. Look at their slides. Goes right off the side of the ship there, man. I'm excited to go see the island. Looks good over there. So we need to go get breakfast and then go get on the island. Here's the day 2 on a Disney Destiny. You want a hash brown, Nadia? Oh, thank you. Ratatouille French. Oh, his book. My first chef hat. Aww, Remy's. What'd you get, bud? Oh, chocolate chip pancakes. Thank you. Alright, hello from day 2 here on the Disney Destiny. We did walk around Nassau just for like a very, very short amount of time. So I didn't even film any of it. So we decided to come back on the ship because we didn't book any like excursions. But we already know like next time we come over here to Nassau, we want to go on to Atlantis because that place looks pretty awesome. But back here in the atrium, have not looked at all of these windows yet. So they have some really cool stuff. So here is the room, some examples of the carpet. I don't even remember seeing the Hippo from Fantasia yet, but I know we walked around, so I guess haven't looked at the floor. Haunted Mansion. There's Cruella's. I love that place. We did go in there last night, and it just had live music playing. It was so peaceful and nice. And we do have a Baymax room. Haven't even done a room tour yet because we did get in pretty late last night. So I'll have to do that today. This is the Sanctum. We've just walked by it. We haven't really sat down in there. But then there's some sketches. Here's the atrium we're in right now. Yeah, here's 1923 restaurant just right here. This is where we're gonna eat dinner tonight. There he is. So there's a section for Walt and for Roy. This is a neat statue. Steamboat Willie.
Hey, you have fun?
I really love this Mickey Mouse plush.
Wanna go back later? Huh?
1929. Wow. Including Mickey Mouse plush dolls in 1931. There's a sketch. I love it. Let's go take a closer look at the Black Panther. There's the horn. Here's the stern characters. Okay, so this is a scale model. So one is 13 feet tall and weighs 970 pounds. And Snorkel Bot is 4 feet 2 inches tall, 286 pounds. Oh, okay. And the Lifesaver Bot is 6 feet tall and 407 pounds. Oh my goodness. We have a Keel coin here. Cross section of the ship. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's what's on the stern. Have not seen that yet in person. More ship plans. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get on the Aqua Mouse. We need to go change. The ship's bell. That's exciting. All right, time to go change into our bathing suits. I just got strawberry, so they have different flavors available each day. And Owen got strawberry, Nadia got strawberry and vanilla, and Brayden got vanilla and chocolate swirl.
Let's tour the temple of the golden earth. If the golden earth is what you say, Pilates first, you will race. Maybe you're not I wish I could see
Oh, he's like a zombie! All right, let's ride Slidosaurus Rex.
the robot man. Here we go. Oh, the water is warm. We are going so fast. Uh-oh, we stopped it. We're not going. Why are we not going? Why am I stuck in this line? Why are we not moving? The water's stuck behind us. I have an idea. My idea not working. Bruh. Go, go. Bro, we're going so fast. Go with the water. We finally made it. It took only 1 minute.
There's Atlantis. Yeah, we wish we booked an excursion over there next time. Down below us is the concierge area, lounge pool area. But we're just walking around outside here. I think we're gonna get in one more pool and then go eat some lunch. I think we're gonna just try lunch today at the Marceline Market, the buffet, see what they have, and then drop the kids off at the kids areas, the Edge and Oceaneers Club, and then Brandon and I are going to go to the spa. Very excited about that. For lunch, we came to Marceline Market and Brayden got some crab and Owen got some mac and cheese and broccoli. Nadia got some chicken tenders again. I actually went out and then got some like pulled pork barbecue and some coleslaw. And then Owen went to the burger place and got some buns for me so I could just make a pulled pork sandwich. But then the desserts look really good. So here's the desserts that we grabbed. Nadia got some Jello and brownie. And then I got a brownie, lemon cheesecake. Is it a Mickey? Kind of. Look at the little gnome on there, so cute. And then sticky date pudding. So we'll see. Oh, and also got a raspberry cheesecake. What's the other thing you got? You already ate it.
It's like a parfait, but it's
yeah.
it has fruit and then whipped cream and then Jello.
Okay. Yum yum. And then we are gonna go to the room, change, and then they have the Incredibles obstacle course open in the Hero Zone. We need to go do that. We are in the Hero Zone, and the kids doing these games with the inflatables. It's really cool. Like Jack lasers right here. So here's Nadia doing hers. And then you can see who gets the best score. Owen's over here. This really is a cool area. And so they just have the ping pong tables pushed over here to the side. Still in Nassau. And then of course they have a giant obstacle course right here. My kids are nice. There's Brandon and Owen. Oh, they just passed it up. So the cast members said that this Incredibles obstacle course will close at like 4:30, but she said the line will get very long. So as soon as we saw it like opened, we were walking to lunch and we're like, oh goodness, let's hurry up and eat so we can come over here. So we went back to the room, the kids changed, and then we came back over here. Brandon and I didn't change because like I said, we are still going to the spa. Santa is a meeting and a greeting over here at the Disney. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I love it because it's like, we didn't book this as a maritime cruise, but like, it's Christmas.
Perfect. Whenever you're ready, you can go down the slide. Have fun.
Bye.
See you, Nadia.
Have a lovely afternoon.
Thank you.
I A what? Wait, to solve it.
A portrait transforms with a secret to hide. Everything, revealing the truth of the captain's bride.
Hi.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Totally forgot.
Oh, yes.
Okay, you're gonna ring the bell, okay? When you hear the bell.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell.
Okay, it's getting warmer. Right in the face. Like, how could that be good? It would be like right in the eyeballs, like water jet stream, like gently, like hard. Like, oh, that was tough. This one feels good on your neck, though. I don't know. Oh, look at this one. That's not cool. Oh, let it wait. That is ice. Cold. That'll wake you up in the morning. Oh, look at that. It's only Emily flip-flops. It's not in the middle. That's fun. Okay, 1, 2, 3, third one. Oh. Just finish them there.
It was warm. Stuff there down here.
Here's our swinging little couch. We just got out of the jacuzzi. They have 2 outdoors here. But then you don't see over the ocean. You just see these green walls all around. So, no views, just walls. Sit on it. I feel like I'm in Elsa's room. Like, although that thing is just making ice, and look, it's just coming up out of the center. This looks like ice cubes, like bubbles. It does kind of stink in here. We were just talking about how the when we went on the dream, the Rainforest room had like 3 different saunas with different scents and different temperatures, and this one only has 1. But this one does have a cold room. This has an outdoor area that's bigger. Oh, look, the ice one's gotten bigger than that. It has the heated seats like that out there in the dream, though. Those chairs. Who's out?
The dream house? I don't remember. I thought it would be a lot colder than here.
Yeah, it's not very cold. Like going into the Mummy. Or no, what ride? Men in Black. That's the one at the Universal that's freezing cold all the time.
100 degrees outside, freezing.
Lean back on this, see if I get cold. Ooh, lean back on the wall.
High on that oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy cranes with eerie eyes start to shrink and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
Ah, that was so cool. Do it again. Oh, there it is. That is so cool. So, we just saw the Frozen show. It was amazing. And it was like the whole entire movie. So it was really, really good. And stopped to get some ice cream, got some chocolate. And today they had chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And so, second cone of the day. We had chocolate, earlier had strawberry. And down below is going to be the Cruella de Vil fashion show. So we are up on deck 5, going to watch it going on down there. It should start in about 2 or 3 minutes.
Time for the incredible Cruella de Vil!
It was a Monsters Inc. glass floor door. Thank you. We are at 1923, and I'll put in a photo of the menu for appetizers, the entrees, and then the desserts. But we are going to, like, we're right here by a window. I can't see out because of glare. Brandon can see though, so I don't know how he sees anything. Because, like, I can't see nothing out this window. But myself, my own reflection. But we have some rolls.
Thank you so much.
They look pretty good. I don't know what kind they are. Then we got our Coke Zero with lemon and some butter. Kids got some Fanta. They got pepperoni pizza, fries, and he got a salad, and I think got the same thing. I got the tortellini. It's very small. Like, beep. And you got the corn chowder? Yep. Alright, let's give it a little tasty taste here. It's so fun looking at like all of the drawings around the room. Like I saw they had like Monsters Inc. They have the Incredibles, and over here it's more Monsters Inc. stuff over there. But we have a window, so that's really fun. Alright, yeah, my tortellini. Some of the sauce on there. It's good. Do you like yours? For dinner, Brandon and I both got the tacos. So they look pretty good. I got the blueberry lemon Bavarian cream. It looks very good. I would have thought that it would be blue, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to do like a cross section. I love this here. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a little Mickey or Minnie on top there. But let's get a little cross section first. Oh, ooh. There's got to be some jam in there. That looks good. What did you get?
The apple cheesecake.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks really good too. Owen, you just got a Mickey Premium Bar. Yummy yum. And Nadia, you got ice cream with a brownie?
This was it's called a cookie.
Oh, a cookie?
I don't know why it's a brownie. I think that might be cookies.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye.